Hello friends, in this video we're gonna see how to secure your directory using password protect feature in cPanel. Let's jump into the video. Log into your cPanel directly. Under file section, click file manager. Choose the directory which you want to protect. The directory must be your staging site or the site is still under development. If you want to secure your folder and you don't want anyone to see your folder content, this password protect feature is for you. Go to the public HTML. Here I am protecting my subpage of my main website. Select the folder and double click the password protect feature. You will see the checkbox. Tick the password protect this directory. Now you will see the whole path here. Click save option to protect your directory. Now click go back option. Now you have just protected your directory. If you load the website, it will ask the credential. For that you have to create a username and credential. In username field, enter your username. In the password field, enter a password or use generate password option. Once you have generated the password, tick the I have copied this password and use password option. Save to create the user. Now click go back option to see the user has created or not. You can see the user is created. Open your browser. Enter the path which you have protected the directory. Here you can see your directory path is protected. Now enter the username or password which you have created while protecting the directory. Now you can see you can able to view the content only after giving the username and password credential. With this method you can protect your directory. Let's see how we can disable the password protect option. Go to the same folder, double click the password protect option. Here you will arise one question. If I delete the user alone and keep the password protect option as it is, whether we can able to log in the website without credential? Let's see. Now I have deleted the user. Open your browser, enter the website path. Still asking for username and password. Even if you provide old username and password, you can't able to log in your website. To fix this, either you have to create a new user or you can uncheck the password protect this directory option. Now go to the file manager under the same setting. Here you will see the checkbox. Untick the checkbox. Click save option. Now open the browser. Enter your website path. Now you can able to view the content without credential. With this method, you can able to protect your directory. If this video helps you, please like, comment. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.